What's poppin'? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'll be hanging out with you for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy. And as you can see, we have one of the most iconic 3 colorways of all time, and that's these true blue 3s, and they are looking busted. Don't worry, this ain't the 2026 pair that's about to drop. These are the 2016 pair. They have retroed several times over the years, but I'll get a little more into that later on in the video. But right now, with all that being said, there's not much left to it but to do it. So let's get straight into this episode of Shoe Care Academy. All right, before we get this cleaning party popping off, let me talk about some of the products we are gonna be using. That's gonna be our signature shoe cleaning kit. That kit is so versatile, it allows us to deep clean these shoes using the washer, or depending on the results we get, we may not even have to. But with that said, let me go ahead and just get this shoe, set that aside for before and after purpose, and we're only gonna be focusing on this sneaker right here. First things first, let's insert this shoe tree so we can have a nice hard surface so we can apply as much pressure on this toe box that we need to. And then we have to get these crusty laces out of here. Like I just mentioned, this is one of the most iconic Jordan 3 colorways of all time that actually originally debuted in 1988, but this sneaker has retroed several times throughout the year, starting in 2001, 09, 2011, and 2016. One thing to note about the 2016 pair is that Nike logo on the back. In 2016, that was the first time Jordan Brand brought that back for the retro. Let us know in the comment section down below. Do you prefer the Nike or the Jumpman? But with that said, let me grab my solution and squirt some squirts. Actually, before I start getting down and dirty and getting all this junk everywhere, let me just grab our soft brush and really dry brush, see how much loose dirt and debris I can get off this sneaker. This is a key step, that way we're not pushing more dirt and grime deeper into the material. A little ASMR action for you guys. All right, guys, a lot of this stuff is pretty solidified and stuck in the shoe. It's not even coming off when I aggressively rub it with my hand. That means we're gonna have to use the power of the Reshoemator solution to really help break down all this grime. If you guys didn't know, the Air Jordan 3 was actually designed by Tinker Hatfield and really helped solidify Jordan staying with Nike. Also, even though the True Blue 3s is one of the original OG colorways, Michael Jordan actually never wore it on court when he played for the Chicago Bulls. All right, guys, let's wipe off the suds and see what deeper stains we're still working with. Honestly, the soft bristle brush did its job, but we do have to jump over to our medium bristle brush. These bristles are just a little more stiffer and it's gonna allow me to get a deeper, effective clean. For this specific sneaker, we recommend only using the medium bristle brush on the midsole. One, it's because it's a painted midsole, and if you use the stiff brush, it could chip it. And two, this sneaker is already 10 years old and I'm already seeing paint already chip off. So that's why you do not want to use the stiff bristle brush. But give us a few and I'll show you just exactly where you're supposed to use that stiff bristle brush. All right, guys, I'm pretty much all done with this midsole using our medium bristle brush. However, I do want to tackle the uppers as well. So I'm gonna get on that right now. As I do that, I'm just gonna hit you guys with a little story time. If you are under the age of 21, go ahead and fast forward. You don't want to hear this story. But with all that being said, I used to own this pair of shoes maybe about 10 years ago, because obviously I copped the 2016 pair. But back before I met my beautiful wife, me and my cousin went on a road trip. We actually went to Houston. This is one of the sneakers I took. Unfortunately, we did go on like a little strip club excursion and I may have consumed a little too much alcohol, or I was drugged, I don't know, but I actually ended up falling asleep in a bush. I woke up, my shoes were gone. Someone swiped me. So if you're at home watching this video, cleaning your 2016 pair and you picked them up off of a guy chilling in a bush, sleeping outside the strip club Onyx, karma's gonna get you, bro. Karma is gonna get you. But let me get back to work. All right, guys, we are breezing through this clean. These things are almost looking like that 2026 pair, how fresh they are. Obviously, besides some of that paint chipping, but these sneakers are in such a great condition after this pre-treatment. But we're not done just yet. I still gotta take care of that outsole, and we're also gonna put them in the washer to really deep clean, to clean these insides. Speaking of the insides, before I jump to this outsole, let me go ahead and just get a deep, effective clean in there. Getting nice and deep like in these guts of the sneaker, that is. And let's go ahead and keep it moving. Last step for this pre-treatment is go ahead and take care of this outsole using our stiff bristle brush. So let's get it, let's go. Our stiff bristle brush is the stiffest brush in our arsenal, and it's gonna work great at deep cleaning your outsoles. Also, another pro tip is when you're cleaning a sneaker this filthy and you got a lot of grime and dust, dirt, and junk all over your mat, just make sure you elevate your sneaker and clean it a little above. That way you're not putting all that dirt back on the uppers of the sneakers you just cleaned. Speaking of mat, those are available at reshootinator.com as well as all your other shoe care needs, so make sure you cop those. All right, we'll get the sneaker inside the laundry bag. Last thing we gotta do is take care of these crusty, dusty laces. This is Vic as soon as every time we tell him, like, all right, you ready to go film? Yeah, let me use the restroom real quick. All right, guys, we are almost off to the washer. Put these inside our laundry bag. Seal it inside the bag. Couple things to note, when washing your sneaker in the washer, wash with cold water on a normal cycle using the brand new ReshootNator laundry sheets. Let's go. All right, guys, we are back. We got a new mat laid down and we pretty much got a brand new sneaker. Before I tell you guys about these results, we gotta lace them up. All right, there it is. That's gonna do it. That's gonna wrap things up for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy on these True Blue 3s. Let me go ahead and bring this dirty pair so you guys can see how well I got down. You can get results just like this by shopping all your shoe care needs with ReshootNator. For the sake of this video, we showcased our signature shoe cleaning kit. However, just doing a quick clean, you probably would have got some pretty good results as well. The reason why we really decided to put it in the washing machine was to clean it from the inside out, as well as really just flush out all the trapped in stains on that stitching. And that stitching is looking phenomenal. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all know the vibe. I'll catch you on another one. Adios.